This thing has happened before, and I'm going to say it again because I have said it before and it seems like I'm joking. I had to work with one of the worst human beings in the world. I mean, this weekend I had to work with one of the worst human beings in the world. I don't know how some of these guys see competition or something. Whenever they are working, they feel like they want to be over everybody. This business is beyond just knowing how to snap. This business is way beyond that. If you think because you know how to snap you are good, forget it, you are a nobody. I met this guy, we were working together because I have worked with some other persons also, and I never had this encounter. I've had this encounter with this same guy some months back, and this is happening again where you're working with group of photographers and you want everybody to feel like you're the only one working. You want to direct people even telling you, no, when you finish working, let's do our part. You have agreed with the couple and everything. This guy want to impose his own on the couple and want to tell people what to do. Bro, that's not how to do this business. That's not how to do this business at all. You think you want everybody to feel like you're the only one working. You want to be in front of everybody. Trust me, Let me say this straight, If not for the bride and the groom, trust me, I would have given this guy a serious punch on the face. Because this guy is like, he was just making serious headache to start disturbing me. Because I've never met, even though I've met somebody like that before, I have never met this particular guy. If you look at what he's shooting, not like he's trying to come out with the best. He's not even the best. He's not even one of the best out of even the people that are there. He's not even close to. He's just doing all this gra. Maybe it's because of those things that he's doing the gra. I hate working with people like this. Meeting this guy again, I wanted to go straight to him and tell him that he's the worst person in the photography business. But I just said I shouldn't say anything because somebody told me something. If I had done something to that guy, maybe I have punched him in the face or something. Nobody will know that he has been doing this thing over and over, but they will just understand that I am the bad person because I'm the one who raised a punch. If you want to work with me in an event, if you want to work with every other photographer, photographers are not your enemy. Just create and leave. Let every other photographers also create and leave. You guys can network and meet each other somewhere else, and maybe when you are stranded, some of these photographers can help you out. Stop acting like you are the only one in the business. Don't spoil my Sunday morning for me. I don't want to be sad this Sunday morning. Please, see you in my next video.